Okay, guys, need a little help here. I'm fixing an LG air conditioner now. Um, Model number LW5011. The compressor wasn't coming on, so I opened it up just to see if I could see if anything was wrong with it. And I noticed when I got to the compressor and removed the cap that's on top of the compressor wire harness here from over here, that this part was damaged. It actually caught a little flame on that wire, and I popped off the bottom piece here because I heard something inside of it, and it was burnt out and broken. It looks like a rotating switch. So my questions are really, what is this part? And would this more than likely work again if I replace it with this part? Because everything else in the air conditioner seems like it's working fine. So if you guys can help me out with that one, I appreciate it.